In this video, I'll compare Descript and Wondershare Filmora so you can see which one works best for your editing style. They're both great tools, but they shine in very different ways. First, let's talk about Descript. This is an AI-powered editor that's completely different from traditional video editing. Instead of dragging clips around a timeline, you edit by working on a transcript, just like editing text in a document. This makes it a favorite for podcasters, interviewers, and educators who need fast, accurate transcription. Descript also includes overdub for voice cloning, automatic filler word removal, screen recording, and real-time collaboration, perfect for team projects. That said, it's not built for complex visual effects and can slow down when handling very large or graphics-heavy projects. On the other hand, Filmora is a classic drag-and-drop video editor built for visual storytelling. It has a clean, beginner-friendly interface and comes packed with effects, transitions, motion tracking, color grading tools, and AI features like auto-reframing. It's well-suited for YouTubers, marketers, and anyone making polished social media content. However, some advanced features are locked behind extra add-ons, and very large projects can push its performance limits. So, which one should you choose? If your work revolves around spoken content like podcasts or video interviews, and you value fast text-based editing, Descript is the way to go. If you focus on visually engaging content with cinematic effects and creative transitions, Filmora will serve you better. When it comes to pricing, Filmora offers a one-time license option, while Descript works on a subscription model starting around $30 per month. Check out the comparison chart in the video to see the key differences side by side. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more video editing tips.